The Association of Professional Women Engineers of Nigeria, APWEN Lagos, marked the International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies with a public lecture on September 10, 2025. Keynote speaker, Engineer Ololade Odu-Onikosi, a process design engineer and sustainability advocate, warned that the air many Nigerians breathe is as harmful as smoking several cigarettes a day. She revealed that air pollution causes over 114,000 premature deaths annually, costing Nigeria 1% of its GDP and hitting the poorest communities the hardest. She identified aging vehicles, poor fuel quality, waste burning, and 22 million small generators as major culprits. While praising existing policies, she stressed that enforcement is weak. Her call was clear: bridging policy and public action is urgent. Clean air, she concluded, is not a privilege, but a right, and the air we share should unite us, not choke us.